Welcome to the week ahead, a new feature from Jim Dalton Trading. For perspective, we are short-term traders. We are focusing on what really happens within the day time frame. We make our decisions mostly based on market-generated information. Market-generated information is information generated by real traders in the market. Last week's focus was on Friday's end of month, end of quarter, and personal income. The coming week's focus will be on Friday's jobs report. What I think the market is looking for, I think the ideal, or what they call the Goldilocks solution, would be for the job report just to be slightly weaker than expectations, slightly weaker than last month, to take a little bit off pressure off of the FOMC. As I read through the weekend, you can find almost any scenario you're looking for. The most positive I saw was 5 out of 6 times October rallies when September is down 7%. The most negative is that this is a downside breakout and the market's got another 19% to go on the downside, which should take it down around the 3,000 level. Our focus to open the week will be on the spike. A spike is a late price probe, either up or down. And it happened late enough in the day that there was not enough time for the market to determine if that probe was rejected or accepted. If the probe is rejected, which would be the strongest response from a short-term trader standpoint, the market will open and remain above the base of the spike. The base of the spike here would be resistance. The most negative response would be for the market to open and remain below the low of the spike. That would show that prices had not gone low enough to cut off the selling. Opening and remaining within the spike is showing acceptance of the spike. The last thing I do as we get preparing for Monday is when the market opens on Sunday evening. If the market opens well below the spike low, a pretty good chance we're going to be fairly weak to start the week. If it opens within the spike, we got a pretty good chance we get a short-term rally. It means opening and remaining within the spike. If it opens and stays above the spike, pretty good chance that we're going to have a little bit of strength on Monday. Thank you very much and welcome to the first comment on the week ahead.